So this right here is a patch that I made for a business in the area. We are getting ready to adhere it now to a garment, directly to a shirt. This is fitness material, so it is kind of stretchy. To make it a little bit easier for our placement, I'm using this board right here. Forget the actual name of it, but I did get it from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy. They sent this over to me. Let's go ahead and get started. Used a couple pieces of tape right there for the alignment, and I've already hit the trace feature on the machine, and it looks like it's going to hit spot on for us. Do have stabilizer underneath. I'm doing our placement. And looks like I forgot to do just a regular run. I was doing a back stitch on this one, but that's okay. It's gonna make it a little bit more secure for us, hopefully. I got the machine going kind of slow right now. Just in case I happen to make any errors, I'll be able to stop it before it speeds through the whole thing. Then we're gonna be placing this right where it needs to go. Line the patch up with the placement at the bottom. We've already pre-cut the design. Looks like it's spot on. Now we're going to go ahead and tack it down and put a border on it. Should be spot on for us. There we go. Stacking it right on down. Perfect. Perfect. It's already laying flat, right where we need it to go. And then I did put a stop into the machine just to make sure everything is good before we put the final border on the design. Right on the money though. And there it is. It's looking good. Looks like it has nice coverage. And the most important thing, I did make sure that I didn't stitch the top and the bottom of the shirt together. So it looks like we got a winner right here. See what the inside of it is looking like, nice and flat. Let's go ahead and put it back on here so you guys can see it. No puckering, no nothing. I think it came out pretty good. What y'all think? And there you have it. Package that bad boy up. Time to drop it off. Shop with the kids.